Who said musicians can cook? Alright, let's see this. You're gonna need some thin spaghettis, chicken breasts, frying or boiled pan. Oh, well, you're gonna need both. A cutting board, a knife, and some other things. I'll tell you more later on. In this process, please, 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 wash your hands constantly and let's get ready to prep that meat. You wanna have a clean meal, right? While this is going, let me take this opportunity to say, guys, please, please leave me a comment or click the like button if you like what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do something new, and it's me trying to be more on YouTube. So give me a like, tell me what you think. I need to know these things. And yeah, if you have yet to subscribe, please do subscribe to my channel, guys, please, so that when the next video comes out, you'll be the first to know. It's very important. Remove all fat from the meat and cut into slices. Boil some hot water with some cayenne peppers and some Himalayan salt. Let's start the seasoning. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some sweet peppers mix, garlic powder, Prego sauce, onion powder, cilantro y achiote. That's how they call it. Alright, I did mention the cayenne peppers. You're gonna need some cloves, you're gonna need some butter, and some stir-fry vegetables. And let's add a little Old Bay seasoning in there. This is just sweet peppers, onions, tomatoes, and everything else we've mentioned earlier. Throw the boiled water out. We don't need that. Don't care if you say I'm killing the proteins from the meat. I don't care. We don't use that. We like to boil the meat before we do anything with it. And let's continue the mix. Look at that. Now let it sit and start the noodle process. Let's boil some hot water with some cayenne peppers and cloves with a little Himalayan salt, just to prep the spaghetti. Rotate the mix so that it can catch all the flavors. Prep the frying pan and get the butter out. And here's my favorite part, guys. Throw the mix in the pan and stir. Just stir it, guys. Stir it up. Look at that, guys. This is already a meal right there. But let it marinate a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Put the thin spaghetti in boiled water while waiting. And of course, my pot is too small, so I have to break the spaghetti in half. Give the frying pan a little TLC, guys, and look at the consistency. Look at that. This concludes meal number 1 right there. But let it simmer just a little bit more. Just a little bit more, because us Haitians, we like our meat cooked. Let's prep meal number 2, guys. You ready? Throw the mixed vegetables in there and stir it up. Here's a little secret. Take 2 scoops of the spaghetti broth and add it in the frying mix, because you don't want it to dry too much. That will keep it moist, and not only that, it'll give it the flavor, like the spaghetti flavor. You want that to be in there. Remember, we're boiling the spaghetti and we will throw out the rest of the water. You need to have the taste of the spaghetti. Get some Prego sauce out, guys. Prego all day, man. Add that to the pot and stir. I've seen some people use a whole jar to cook, but us, we like to conserve. We like to save some for the next day. Now give it a little taste. And here comes meal number 2. Let's get ready for meal number 3, guys. You see, I'm showing you different ways that you can eat throughout the day, guys. You can have 3 different meals a day just with, some ingredient. You don't have to have much. Take the spaghetti pot and pour the broth out. Now, in the same pot, combine the spaghetti with the stew that you just made. And this is meal number 3. Wait, it's missing a little color. And to get that, you know what we're gonna use? We're gonna use a little bit more of the Prego sauce. And let's stir it up. Look at that. Look at that. I'm hungry now. Let's eat. Look at this dish, guys. Tell me, can musicians cook or not? Who said I can cook? Let's see. Sorry guys, I didn't have time to decorate the plate. I'm hungry, so I gotta eat. This guy only smiles when he's about to eat, guys. That's the only time you see him smiles. Only when he's about to eat. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll do another one and decorate it nice and clean for you. How about that? Thank you for watching.